Right, on these Indesit dryers you have a memo button. This is a how-to guide on how to store and recall your memory as well as replace it as well. So first of all you need to switch on the machine. Right, what you now need to do is actually select the cycle you want to store. You can select any cycle. You're going to have to start the cycle as well. So for this purpose we'll select 5. Right. The memo button, to save the memo button, you have to press and hold for 3 seconds. Then all the options for that cycle has now been saved. So if you now turn it off, turn it back on again, it should be saved. So if you turn it to 1, press the memo button, N5 shows that it's the program 5 that we have saved to that. So you can set any program in any position, press the memo button, it will show N05 or the program you have saved, press start. Right, so we'll now run that number 5 program with the option selected. Right, so we'll pause that and turn it off. To start a different cycle, simply just repeat the process. So you select whatever cycle you want. Let's select 4 this time. I'll press the easy iron option. I'll press the memo button, press and hold. Once it beeps, that's now saved. Turn it off. Put the selector on. We'll select the memo button, and number 4 comes up with the easy iron button. Press start and it will run that cycle. Right, that is simple enough. Right, now that the memo's been put in, you can't actually erase so there's nothing in it. So, right, we'll do this again. Press and hold. That's now saved. And that's basically how to operate and save a program to the memory button, or the memo button. I hope you found this useful with your Indesit condenser dryer. Thanks for watching.